Hey guys, we're back at it again, and this time on a 911 Safari. This car is pretty awesome because it was a full frame-off rotisserie restoration, which for people that don't know, basically means the entire car was disassembled all the way down to the frame. They literally put it on like what you would see a chicken get rotisserie cooked on. They put the body on that, and they flip it around, and they basically fully restore the car to the point where essentially this car would have 0 miles now because it's just been completely rebuilt, which is interesting because you'll see in a bit the paint was actually in pretty bad condition for a car that's completely been rebuilt. Besides that, the car was used in like a muddy field and in the snow, and obviously it was pretty dirty. It's kind of comical how much mud comes out of the fenders. But for the rest of this video, guys, I'm just going to basically do some subtitles on the bottom of the screen, so sit back, enjoy the music, and enjoy the video. And just like that, this one's over. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments, or the best way to let me know is just to like the video, and the more likes, we'll always know that we're on the right track. So definitely, if you're into automotive detailing, I think you found the right place, and we will see you guys in the next video real soon.